Look what God made. There's Diamond Head right there. We're on the 23rd floor. Hey Cousins, coming to you live from our hotel lobby. I am sitting in our hotel lobby because although we have a beautiful suite on the 23rd floor, they are doing construction in our tower Monday through Friday, starting at 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., which means you're unable to relax in your room if you wanted to. The construction noise is so loud, you're unable to even think properly. You cannot take a phone call in your room because of the construction noise. So I got in the shower, washed my hair as you can see. Oh, glasses. Washed my hair. You see my hair is wet. And I'm waiting on Gregory. Oh, there he is. But yeah, I did speak to the front desk agent who offered to waive my resort fee for 3 nights out of the 5 nights. The resort fee is $50 per night plus tax, which will come out to about $180. I think that's subpar, especially considering I am a Marriott Bonvoy lifetime titanium member, and I'm spending thousands of dollars at this property. So hopefully I can speak to him again and something else can happen, because the situation is excruciating. I should be able to enjoy the room that I'm paying for without construction noise. And I do understand that hotels have to be updated. However, accommodations to stay in a different tower could have been made. They could have also advised the guest upon booking or upon arrival, giving us other options, because as you all know, Marriott Bonvoy portfolio is rather large. But I love this property because the last 2 stays has been amazing. However, this day, not so much. So I'll let you all know what the update is. So stay tuned. Thanks for following the fashion of travel.
I know the mall hates to see us coming. The triple threat.
They call me Beef. Okay, guys, I am in the MCM store right now in Hawaii, Honolulu, and our tax in Texas is 8.25%. The tax in Hawaii is 4%. 4%. So yesterday I showed you that luxury shopping at like Louis Vuitton, Chanel, and Taxes, and Tiffany's. Well, you see these black bags behind me? These are like mystery shopping bags. So what's about to happen is I'm going to pick one off the shelf, open it up, see what it is, but it's like apparently some tradition. Can you explain to them what the tradition is? I'm going to introduce myself first, okay?
Not camera ready. But Fukubukro is basically a Japanese luck tradition. So you're basically testing your luck on each of the bags because they believe in good luck and fortune.
So let's see what I'm going to pick. Okay, so if you get closer, you'll see like the value of the bag is $2,500, and they're like you pay $1,000. Like this one is $1,500. Sell price retail $35, and so on and so forth. I think I'm gonna buy this one. Oh wait, is this 2 bags stuck together? Okay, I'm gonna get this one, friends. So it's like 2 bags stuck together. So let's see what we're gonna get. And we came to this mall to go to Pandora, not to MCM, but here we are. Okay.
Wow. Oh, wow. Well, I'm married, so I guess it's never my money anyway. So.
He has a card, right?
It was at this moment that Gregory realized he had a credit card that he never knew about.
Oh, I didn't activate it.
Yeah, you're probably gonna get a text message.
There you go. You can control the range.
to go on these. The authenticity card for all the pieces that are inside, they're inside of the bags individually as well.
Perfect. Can I open them right here?
No, not in the store.
You can't open it in the store? Okay.
Make in the store.
So let's open it outside of the store. Oh wait, you gotta get your bag. Cousins, we're on our way back to our hotel right now because I'm so excited to see what's inside of the bags. I asked the agent that was assisting me if I could do my video in the store, and he said because of Japanese tradition of the surprise bags, you're unable to open your bag in the store. So he actually walked us out of the store with the bags, and we're en route to the hotel to see what surprise we got. Look at my husband, y'all. It's heavy. Well, cousins, we are back in our hotel. So we're doing an in-room hotel unboxing because we're unable to do it in the store, seeing that these are a special shopping experience, essentially grab bags. So let's get into them. And this was the only 2 bags that were tied together in the store. So let's see what we got. We are gonna do the big one first. And unfortunately, have to tear the bag up. Oh wow. Oh wow. So all the authenticity cards are in the box, in the bags. Looks like we have an MCM scarf. Pretty cute.
Sit down, sit down, sit down.
Pretty cute for winter. Oh, it's a big one. Look at that. All right. Now let's see what this is, because this bag's pretty big. They really want it to be a surprise for you, the way they have it tied up. Ooh, a cognac colored carrying bag. That's pretty nice. And I think this one comes with a strap. Yep, strap. Nice size. And let's see what is in here. And again, we have to tear the bag, unfortunately. Oh wow, there's actually a lot of boxes in here. Ooh, girlfriend, let's see what you got. This is giving, okay? Oh, this is so cute. Let's see what it is. Okay, little hang. It's cute. Little hat, which will not fit, which Jackson will probably end up trying to take. This is cute. Let's see what this is. Oh, it feels like a belt. Red MCM belt. If you see me regifting, this is why. Cute. Let's see what this is. Maybe a purse? Maybe? Purse? Oh, that's cute. Perfect. Little purse. Definitely worth the surprise. Matches the hat. let me find out. Let me find out. Okay, little MCM change holder. Wallet. Okay, cute. I'm gonna have to stash my stuff away because I can definitely see some little hands getting into my stuff. Cute little card holder. And last but not least, hopefully this is a cute one too. Oh, super cute. So yeah, this concluded my surprise unboxing of the MCM bags, the Japanese tradition. If you have a local store, make sure to check them out. This is not a sponsored video at all whatsoever. However, if MCM wants to, throw me some sponsorship dollars, we'll get into that. But for now, hope you enjoyed our surprise unboxing as much as I did. Bye for now.
Too low to the mall, with a couple capos and 100 fucking dimes. College slaughter gang, you get your shit popped. Jack up with a drum, the bitch ain't never go stop.